This video will teach you how to finding the true focal length. Plug in the power cord. Turn on the machine. Plug the USB cable into the computer. Place the metal plate on the work table. Please adjust the focal length to the highest. Remove the lens protective cover. This machine uses a field lens size of 175 by 175 millimeters. Create a 50 by 50 millimeters square in Lightburn software. Red light frame. Now the focal length is incorrect, so it doesn't engraving. We need to adjust the focus length and lower the tower down slowly. And you'll see it come into focus. Gets focused when it's violent like that. That's when you know it at the optimal focal point. So I am now in focus. I'm going to stop turning the dial. Turn off the laser first. Now we can measurement the correct focal length heights for the lens. The correct focal length is 261 millimeters. Thank you for watching.